Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Driven Decisions. So in the channel I'm more focusing on to take decisions based out of data. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. It will help me out, and at the same time you can learn a lot of different things about data science, machine learning, clouds, and everything. So in the next in my Cobra space called data driven decisions, I've got a really good question which is called, which data mining tool is used by engineers and scientists in 2021? So in the data mining tool, basically what it help you is that it just help you to extract information, patterns, and large amount of data from different large amount of sources. Yes, you can understand that because every second the petabytes of data is just generating from all over the world and through all over the internet, all over the IoT devices and all different things. So it's very important to extract information out of data. Without that, there is no any point of doing data science or any kind of thing. So to efficiently extract information out of data, you need some sort of tool which will help you out. So there are a lot of different tools are available. Some of are based out of Python, some of based out of Java, and some are paid and some are totally open source, free of cost. So I suggest first start with the free of cost softwares, and if you really need some special kind of treatment, special kind of things uh, to find out information out of data, then you should move to the paid subscriptions. So here I'm just giving you a list of different tools are available, but you can try by your own also. So these are the very popular tools, data mining tools. First, I'm going to tell you the free ones. The free ones are the RapidMiner, which is based out of Python. Here you can see that this one. I think this is the best tool uh, as per different like organizations like Forrester. They're using it. Gartner. They are the well-known organizations. They're using that. Crowd. All the different things you can see, and also in here you can also see Weka, which is a Java-based tool. So it's a good thing that Java has also some sort of tool, because in Java language it is not very mature in terms of the data mining or data science kind of stuff, but they have also this library which you can use. It's totally free of cost, and also like KNIME, Open for Innovation, Data Mining, Apache Mahout. So these are the free softwares. I'll be giving you the link in the description of the video. You can just definitely check that out. So this is the orange data mining tool, and this is the Apache Mahout. So you can use that out. And if you need many specific kind of treatment of your data, then you can just give some like annual subscription or something. Then you can use the paid softwares. So paid softwares are the SAS Enterprise Mining, H2O.ai is open source leader in AI and ML, and IBM SPSS model and text analysis. So these are the different paid softwares which I can use. So you can also visit my Quora space to find out about more, and although a lot of different stuffs you can find out over here. So if you just write in Quora data driven decisions, so this one with a pie chart over here. So if you just click over there, it just come to my space, which is data driven decisions, and you can find out a lot of different things over here. Or you can see a lot of people are giving different questions, answers. I'm giving answers, other people are going to answer. So it's a really good community where we are just talking about data-driven decisions. And also I'm going to publish more videos over here in my YouTube channel to take much more better decisions, how you can take much more better decisions using data, a lot of different stuffs. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and support us. And also it will help me out to reach out much more audiences for the YouTube community. And hope you're safe, your family members are safe, and goodbye. See you in the next week. Thank you.